Imagine this. A potential customer visits your website, browses your products, maybe even adds something to their cart, and then disappears. No purchase, no sign up, nothing. It happens all the time, right? But what if I told you that you can bring them back, not through luck, but through strategy? That's where retargeting ads come in. In today's video, we're diving deep into how retargeting ads work, why they're so powerful, and how you can use them to recover lost customers and boost your sales in 2025. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are retargeting ads? Simply put, these are ads shown to people who've already interacted with your brand in some way. Maybe they visited your website, engaged with your social media post, or clicked on one of your campaigns but didn't take the final step. Retargeting works by placing a small piece of code, called a pixel, on your website. This pixel tracks visitors and allows you to show them relevant ads later, like gentle reminders saying, "Hey, remember this product you loved?" It's smart, subtle, and extremely effective. Now, let's talk about why retargeting works so well. The truth is, most people don't buy the first time they see your product. In fact, studies show that it takes 5 to 7 interactions before someone makes a decision. Retargeting keeps your brand in front of those people, warming them up until they're ready to convert. Think of it as digital follow-up. Not annoying, just consistent. When they see your ad multiple times, it builds trust and familiarity, making it far more likely they'll come back and complete the purchase. There are different types of retargeting, and understanding them can make your campaigns much more effective. The first one is site retargeting, which targets people who visited your website but didn't take action. Then there's email retargeting, which reconnects with users who opened your emails but didn't click through. You also have social media retargeting on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These are great for keeping your brand visible while users scroll. And finally, there's dynamic retargeting, which automatically shows users the exact products they viewed before leaving your site. The personalized touch that makes a huge difference in conversion rates. So, how do you actually set up It's easier than you think. You can use tools like Facebook Ads Manager, Google Ads, or TikTok Ads to create campaigns. First, install your tracking pixel on your website or landing page. Next, segment your audience. For example, people who viewed a specific product page, those who added to cart but didn't buy, or even returning visitors who haven't purchased in months. Then, create tailored ads for each group. The key here is personalization. Don't show everyone the same ad. For example, if someone abandoned a cart, show them a discount ad saying, "Still thinking it over. Here's 10% off to make your day easier." That small emotional trigger often seals the deal. Now, let's talk about best practices for retargeting in 2025. First, frequency matters. You don't want to overwhelm your audience. Limit impressions to a few times per day to avoid ad fatigue. Second, update your creatives regularly. People get bored of seeing the same ad again and again. Try new headlines, visuals, or call to actions every few weeks. Third, combine retargeting with exclusion lists, meaning, once someone makes a purchase, stop showing them the same product ad. Instead, retarget them with complimentary items or loyalty offers.